Hey, I'm Brendan with RevZilla, joined here by my buddy Pat. He just got off set. They're filming the new season of Sons of Anarchy, and we're here to shoot the Born Free vest. And this is from First Manufacturing. Of course, this vest is available where freedom is. That's at RevZilla.com, brother. So the Born Free vest, why is it called the Born Free vest, you might ask? Yeah, Pat, go ahead and rip that thing open. Bam! There you go. That's freedom right there. On the inside, you've got your American flag, which is great. Pat, you can go ahead and zip that up for now. This has a 1.3 millimeter thickness, and it's very straightforward. We've got a vest here, right? Pat's about 220 pounds, 6 feet tall, with a 44-inch chest. He is currently wearing a size large in this vest, and the size large is fitting him very, very well. You do have pockets on the inside, so you can easily access your patches if you want to add those on there. You've got 2 pockets at the chest, 2 hand warmer pockets, and you do have concealed carry pockets on the inside as well. Not sure if you caught that when we were showing you all that freedom on the inside of the vest, but it is there. I would certainly say it's running true to what that sizing chart is going to recommend for you. And First Manufacturing, if you're not aware, is a bit more on the American side of the spectrum, so they're a bit more generously cut. The other thing worth noting is that the price ranges from about $190 to $210. That depends on what size you go with. So as you start looking at the 3XL, 4XL, and the 5XL, those are a bit larger. They're going to require a good amount of leather. So that's why that price is increasing to about $210 when you get in that size range. Just something to keep in mind there. Pat, go ahead and swing to the back here. We'll take a quick look here at the back. You just got this large panel of leather. But as I mentioned before, on the inside, you can access the back, you can access the sides there, so if you want to add in your patches, you can easily do so without having to cut up anything. We see that from time to time, so I like that they give you that access pocket on the back. Pat, go ahead and face forward. We'll open that thing up again. Careful, watch your eyes there. Yeehaw, that's it. So 2 concealed carry pockets. You got a little stash pocket over there on the side as well. And if you see these zippers on the side, that's what I was referencing before. That allows you access to the inside here, so you can add those patches on the front, you can add them on the back, wherever you'd like to put them, you can easily do so. But that's pretty much it for the Born Free vest. We like freedom. I hope that you do too. If you have any additional questions, you can click that info button. That's going to take you over to RevZilla.com, where you can read other rider reviews. And as always, if you have questions about this vest or any other gear you might be interested in, please do not hesitate to reach out. Give our Gear Geeks a call at 877-792-9455, or simply shoot over an email, cs@RevZilla.com. Thanks for hanging out with Pat and I and taking a closer look at the Born Free vest. I'm Brandon. Keep it pinned.